I'm here with the project, so let's decrease and see what we have to change. You can see these icons are not well where they are when we reduce. So to avoid that, we have to find a good target of breakpoint, because for the texty, for me it's okay, it's reducing how we are reducing the font size as we decrease, that's okay, but the icons are not where they should be. So to fix that, we are going to work right now. And as I told you, smaller screens like 200 pixels, 300 pixels, you don't have to worry much about that. Let's focus on this. For me, in this area where we have the icons, we need to keep them just right here at the bottom. When we hit 800 is too dangerous, so 850 it's okay. So let's go to our, this is inside of the home page. Here we have our slide, this way is racing by nature. After our slide is, we have this navigation, we have the navigation. So let's put here simply the navigation, which is inside of our racing by nature. Let's say from the bottom we want it to be 30%. Save it and see how that's gonna behave. Oh no, I was forgetting to insert here at include responsiveness pixel 2 en 850 and put our navigation here. Save and let's see how it's gonna behave. Still processing. Now it's much better at this position. Okay, so let's reduce, and yeah, much better.